Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. I'm going to be showing you how to add labels on Todoist.com. So you have two ways you can add your labels. First one is to go to a task that you already have. And on the right-hand side, you'll see label. And you could change it to whatever label name that you would want. If it's not there yet, you could just create that label and it'll do that for you. You just close that task and go back to labels and you'll see dailies. Another way you could add a label is to go to the filters and labels tab on the left hand side, add another label and change it to add like the description of the label that you would want. And you could also change the color on it. Let's say it's teal and you could just press add, and any task that you would put into gaming would also reflect on any day that you would have, either whether it's upcoming or to today. If you want to add a task with the label already, you could just add in the tag by typing at and then the label name, say gaming, by another handheld. You could change the day, change the priority, whether it's 1 to 4, any reminders that you would need, the location, the deadline, and where it's going to be assigned to. You could have it assigned to entertainment and then add tasks. That's it.